Hello everyone, how are you? Today we are going to do exercises, review exercises. Review task from Workbook grade 7, page 9, page 16. The first is vocabulary, everyday objects. Complete the crosswords. First, can I use your mobile phone to make a call? I use my MP3 player to listen to my music. I haven't got any money, so I can't go shopping. Keep your money safe in a purse. Don't forget you don't want to pay for a full price bus ticket. Yani you don't forget your ticket. ID card. Next, I really want a laptop so I can surf the internet when I go out. You need a student ID card to get cheap tickets to this show. You aren't allowed to wear on your face at school. Yani you aren't allowed to wear makeup. Yani boyanуға тыйым салынады. I haven't got my, so I can't open the door. I haven't got my keys. Yani кілтім жоқ, есікті аша алмай тұрмын дейді. I have got two for my school bus for 2 tickets, a small old one and a big new one. 2. Exercise 2. Match sentences. At my school, we aren't supposed to wear makeup. In the UK, most children are supposed to have swimming lessons at school. At school, I'm supposed to wear a special uniform. Next, we aren't allowed to have mobile phones at school. Are you allowed to wear your own clothes to school? Саған мектебіңдегі мектеп формасын киюге рұқсат беріле ме? Is wearing jewelry allowed at your school? Next, make present simple sentences. Яғни жақшаның ішіндегі сөздерден present simple құрау керек. Болымсыз сөйлемдер. For example, I don't go cycling. Мен велосипед айдамаймын. Айдауға бармаймын. My brother studies French and German. He doesn't play the guitar. We don't carry our mobile phones to school. My sister finishes her homework before dinner. My dog doesn't like swimming. Free time activities. Exercise 4. We don't play the internet at a cafe. We don't play games. It's too expensive. Ол өте қымбат. Amir goes swimming at the weekend. Anton meets his friends after school. Does Sophia take photos on her mobile phone? Сұраулы сөйлемде алдына does қойылады. I don't play my guitar. I find it boring. Do your parents listen to the radio? My sister has got postcards. She's got 150. Alex doesn't watch films at the cinema in the town center. Сұраулы сөйлем. Қайсысы таңдауымыз керек? Present simple'да сұраулы сөйлем do және does арқылы жасалады. The first. Do you study French at school? Does Kuanash listen to the radio? Does your mom surf the internet in the evening? Does your dad like coffee? Үшінші шақта тұрғандықтан does қоямыз. Do your friends play tennis? Көпше түрде болғандықтан do қойылады. Do you watch a lot of DVDs? Сен DVD қарайсың ба? Next task, exercise 7. Сөздерді қойып шығу керек. Hi, I am Lenka and I am from Moscow in Russia. I have got blue eyes and long blonde hair. Likes and dislikes. I am films, especially animated ones. I am into films. I am a big, mad, real, keen, into fan of the film directors Tim Burton and Henry Selick. Осылай сөздерді қойып аударып шығу керек. Goodbye.